Hello kids! Welcome back to my class. This is Teacher Rhea and today we will have a new lesson. Enjoy! Today, our lesson is all about sounds around us. Shh! Cover your eyes for a moment and just listen. What sounds do you hear? I hear the sound of my electric fan, the dog in my neighborhood, and the television. Sounds are all around us all the time. There are so many of them, like pouring water in a glass, clapping your hands, the sound of motorcycles' engines, the sounds we hear come from different sources. It could come from animals, such as cat, dog, or horse. Transportation, like ship, car, and airplane. Objects like a doorbell, spoon, or a door. Musical instruments like a drum or a tambourine. And a maracas. From the environment, like thunder, or wind, and the waves of the ocean. From people, like a baby's cry, or the people's laughter. Sounds can also be classified as soft or loud. Soft sounds are gentle sounds that are low in volume. Examples are loud sounds are powerful sounds that are high in volume. Examples are Now, you are ready to do this activity. Let us try to identify the source of the following sounds and categorize them according to their source and whether they are soft or loud sounds. Good job, kids! Now, you can classify and categorize sounds that you hear around you. See you again next lesson. This is Teacher Rhea. Bye!